Hey ProbStats kids, this is Dr. Callahan. Welcome to week 6 Wednesday. Go ahead and pause the video and answer the following 3 questions on your warm-up log. So keep in mind that this is week 6 Wednesday and your warm-up log is going to be due on week 9 Friday. And it is also worth 300 points. Now to break this down, how this point work is that you have 100 point that is going to be on participation. So participation means that you show up to class on time, you're participating during the notes, during the activities in class, you essentially complete everything that's on the to-do list. 100 points on the log itself, you should have about 100 boxes. If you have been absent or if you have not watched the videos online on the YouTube channel during the days when you're supposed to be at home, make sure you catch up on that, because even though I may not be seeing you in person, you're still expected to go over the videos and keep up with your warm-up blog, activities, homework, etc., and then turn it in. One of which is your assessments that has been created on MS Teams. So if you have not done them, and there are 3 as of today, make sure you're checking MS Team to make sure that those are completed. So, and the last one is going to be on preparation. So have you been prepared for class for the last 6 weeks? And so those are your 300 points. All right, so then taking a look at this, this is kind of your breakdown and specifically about your warm-up log. So participation, preparation, the log itself, altogether 300 points due on week 9, Friday. Okay, so you guys need to get in the habit of making sure that you complete your homework assignment from your textbook. That is worth a bit of points, and also it's really good practice because it's aligned with everything that you do, everything that we go over in class. So this one is worth 10 points because there were 10 questions and it was on empirical probability. So last class I taught you guys how to convert and read tables, and then also we talked about a dice, for example, about rolling even number versus odd numbers. We learn how to convert a fraction to a decimal, from a decimal to a percent, and so this is aligned with that. This needs to be shown on the homework template on the back of your white packet. So make sure you guys have that. Once you turn Unit 2 in, the folders in this class, I will be checking to ensure that you have this on the back of your template. All right, you guys, so take a look at today's objective. We are going to be taking a quiz on 11.4. There are 10 questions, multiple choice on theoretical probability and empirical probability. Once you're done, we're going to go over a quizzes. And then make sure you guys watch the video. That's introduction to coin tossing 3 different times. So from here, we're going to start moving on to, if I were to flip a coin 3 times, what are the chances that on all 3 times it's going to be tails? So it's important that you guys know the probability of that. Your homework tonight is to make sure you guys review for sections 11.5, 11.6, get caught up on your missing assignments. One of the ones that I want to talk to you guys about is your assessments, especially if you're on virtual learning on MS Team. And you guys actually have 3 of them. So the first one was assigned on week 5 Thursday, week 6 Monday, and week 6 Wednesday, which is today. The other 2 were assigned last week, and you need to make sure you complete them. I have maybe 50% of the students completing them. And so even though it was like a virtual one day because of the smoke, it doesn't mean it was a free day that you're not going to get graded. These are going to be inserted on IC by Friday of this week. So make sure you have that completed. It's really, really important that you do. All right, the next one I have here is week 6, Wednesday, which is today. So for those of you guys who are watching the video, make sure you guys go on here, click on it. It's simply just 10 questions. It is due September 30th by 11:59 p.m. And actually, I just realized that this one's not due until September 28th, which is completely fine. So I will be just inserting this one on Friday. If you do not turn it in, you will get an M, which is missing, which essentially is 0%. And so it's critically important that you go ahead and do that. Take a photo and then upload it under the assignment. So just to show you guys what that will look like. If you go onto MS Team, this is mine. I have 2 different prop and stats classes. So if you guys get on there, go to prop and stats, and already it pops up as week 6 Wednesday assignment or assessment on empirical and theoretical probability. So you go ahead and click on view assignments. Your review should look like this. You just need to go ahead and click on that. And ta-da, those are your 10 questions. It is multiple choice. It should not take you guys a super long time to go ahead and do this. So make sure you guys complete it. And then take a picture of it and then upload it to me. And that is it. So that is what we're going to be doing today. Well, you guys are on virtual learning. And for those of you guys who are in my class, that is what we're going to be talking about. Okay, so if you're done with that, there is a quizzes I want you guys to practice with. It is on empirical probability, and it's right here. You can go ahead and click on that, or you can go to the Google Doc, go down to week 6, Wednesday, and you have that. If you're done with this, I do have a kind of like an exit ticket right here on the bottom that is highlighted in yellow. And your exit ticket is basically between a rock and a hard place. When you're stuck between a rock and a hard place, it means you're in a difficult situation. What is one thing you found difficult about this content and why? And specifically, what content are we talking about? We're talking about empirical probability, empirical and theoretical probability. Okay, so make sure you guys complete your quizzes. That is all that you could do. Make sure you watch the video in addition to practicing on the quizzes. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll hope to see you guys next time. Take care.